Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Chad with Your Quality Pressure Washing. We're out here in Briarforest, Memorial City, West Chase area. We're pressure washing a cobblestone driveway, as you see, along with the walkways. I wanted to explain a little bit about our concrete cleaning process and how it works. We apply a mold and algae detergent and soap to the concrete, and we surface clean at low pressure with this rotary surface cleaner. Let me show you a quick demo how it works. Alrighty, so here it is. You got the clean side on the left and the dirty side on the right. This surface cleaner does very well at cleaning concrete. We pre-treat all the mold, the mildew, and the algae, and then we surface clean with low pressure. We specialize in house washing, deck and fence cleaning and restoration, roof washing. We serve Briarforest, Briar Grove Park, Westheimer, West Chase, and Memorial City area. If you need any house washing or concrete cleaning, please give us a call. We also offer a gutter cleaning service. Call us at 832-890-7640. or you can visit us on the web at www.yourqualitypressurewashing.com. Thanks for watching, everyone.